Alright guys, we're gonna be doing a what's in my cousin's bag video.
It's giving broke.
It's giving cute, it's giving classy, it's giving black. Let's open it, see what's inside.
Damn.
Okay, we got some glasses, much needed. Matching wallet. Okay, let me see how much money she got. It's it's giving it's giving humble. Ooh, she got a little lippy. It's giving fancy. Ooh, that's. Ooh, she got what is this? Lip gloss?
I think that's lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
My
She
dead
got
watch.
She got the Apple Watch just in case she needs to tell the time. Oh, she got a nail filer.
That's for my toes.
All right, I give her a 10 out of 10. Bye.